picture.
No, you need to go over there and take a picture of the whole thing.
Move it.
Hurry, get in there.
I need to see the picture. Ooh, my butt's chilling. My butt's chilling. Oh, wait. Oh, my whole butt's chilling. Okay. Alright, you don't need to take a picture. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Take a picture of my property. Come on, let me pick up. Don't pee your pants. You can't take a picture of my food.
I'm not taking pictures of your food. Do you pay the bills?
No, I don't.
Get scouts.
You don't need to take a picture of my food.
Get out.
You don't need to take a picture of my food. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you see this? You see this? Excuse me. If you're going to take a picture of my stuff, you need to get me in the picture. Just saying.
Nope.
Just saying. No, said.